Hello everyone, welcome back to class. We are doing chapter number 5 of class 8, square and square root. Now one method of finding square root by factorization method we have already discussed. Today we are going to start one new method, division method. Let us see how we can find out square root of given numbers with the help of division method. First number is 729. 729. 729. We have to find out its square root by division method. Let us see what is rule for finding square root with the help of this division method. We have to start pairing digits from the rightmost. One pair and this digit is left unpaired. So we will keep bar on single digit. Let us write 1, 2, 9, 6, 5, 6. Suppose this number is given to us and 7. We have to start pairing digits from the rightmost. One pair, then next pair, then next pair, and if any digit is left unpaired, then you will keep bar on the single digit also. Okay, see. We paired. Now see, think about one number whose square is equal to or less than this 7. We need to think about one number whose square is less than or equal to 7. Let us see, that number will be like 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. What will be remainder? 3. Now see, this 2 I will consider as a divisor, and this 2 I will consider as a quotient, and this 7 I will consider as a dividend. Now you need to think one such number whose square is less than or equal to this 7. So that will be, let us do here, 729. It is 2 2s are 4. Now subtraction, after subtracting remainder is 3. Next you have to carry down one pair, not a single digit. Next pair you have to carry down. Next pair is 29. Now you have to double this quotient, and double of this quotient will be 4, and you have to insert this double of quotient leaving a blank at the right side of it. You will insert this quotient with leaving one blank on the right side of this digit. Okay, now further we need to think one number whose multiplication with this complete divisor is equals to or less than 329. Let us think. 3 3s are, let us check out, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 129 is smaller than 329. Next, 4 7 ja, let us write, because 7 7 ja 49, and here able to see last digit is 9. 7 7 ja 49, then 4 7 4 ja 28, 28 and 4 32. So we got that number whose square, whose multiplication with this divisor is exactly 329. Right there 7 and there also. Answer is 329. Multiplication is 329. Then remainder is 0. So what is square root of 729 is 27. Square root of 729 is 27. This is called division method. This is called division method for finding square root of the number. Let us do next part. What is next part? 1296. 1296. We have to find out its square root by division method. Let us start pairing digit from the rightmost. One pair 9 and 6, and next pair is 12. Okay, all digits are in pair. Now we have to think about one such number whose square will be less than or equal to 12. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 will be larger than 12. Then we will take 3 3s are Answer is 3. Then carry down next pair. Not a single digit, we will carry down next pair. Now double the quotient will be 6, and we are inserting this 6, leaving a blank at the right side of this digit. Okay, now think about one number, and same number I will write there, and multiplication I will write there. Now see, what will be that number? It is 6. Let us try on 6 only. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, and 3, 390. Okay, we got this idea at unit place. I'm getting 6. So multiplication 6 with 6, I will get 6, and 4 with 4 also I will get 6 as it's a unit place. That's why I multiplied it by 6. Now I got that number 6, and 6 I will write there, and multiplication is 396. Remainder is 0. So what is square root of 1296? By division method, 36. By division method is 36. Let us do more example based upon this division method. What is example number 10? Find least number that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect number. Let us see. We need to find out least number that must be subtracted from the given number. So we are going to find out its square root by division method. 5607. So first step is we have to pair from the right side. We paired. After that, think about one number whose multiplication or whose square is less than or equal to this 56. 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64 will be more than this 56. So will be 7 7 ja 49. 16 minus 9, 7. Then carry down next pair. 707. So what will be double of this quotient? 14, and we have to insert this by leaving a blank at the right side of this 14. So think about such number whose multiplication with this complete divisor is less than or equals to this 707. Let us think. Multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, and 4. Let us do with 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17, 4 1s are 4, and 5, 576. It is multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 22, 5 5s are 25, then 2 5 4s are 20, 22, then it is 725. This 725 will be more than 707. So we will take at 4. So I will insert 4 at this blank, and 4 I will write there. So what is multiplication? 576. Subtract 7 minus 6, 1. 10 minus 7, 3. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is question? Question is find out smallest number that we have to subtract from the given number. So this is the smallest number. If this is a remainder, if I will subtract this from my given number, then their remainder will be 0, and it will become a perfect square number. So what we got at last, what we got a remainder, that number we have to subtract from the given number. So I will write 131 is the smallest number that must be subtracted from 5607. Now subtract 131 from 5607. 6, 10 minus 3, 7, 5 minus 1, 4, and then there 5. Answer is 5476. This remainder we have subtracted, and if you will find out square root of this number, by division method or by factorization method, then you will get, what will be its square root? Square root will be 74. Let us try, verify. Okay, then 7 7 ja 49. What will be remainder? 7. Then carry down. Next pair, 7 76. Now, what will be double of this quotient? 14. Write this 1 4 and 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. And 1 17. 4 1 ja 4 and 1. There 5 will be there. 5. Answer is 576. So what will be its square root? Square root will be 74. Square root of 5476 is 74. What was question? We need to find out that list number that must be subtracted from the given number so that it will become a perfect square number. So we will factorize, we will find out its square root by division method, and at last what remainder we will get? We have to subtract the given remainder from the, given statement. After subtracting, we got this number, and then its square root will be 74. Let us see next question. Question number 11. Example number 11. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is perfect square number. Let us see. 4-digit greatest number is 9999. This is 4-digit greatest number and which is perfect square. Obviously, this number is not perfect square number. So we got one 4-digit greatest number. Now we are going to find out its square root by division method, and at last we will see what we will get remainder, and after that we will see how we can make it a perfect square number. Start pairing from the rightmost. Okay, now say think about one number whose square is less than or equal to 99. Let us see what it will be. 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81, 9 9 ja 81. So what will be remainder? 9 minus 1, 8, and there 1. Then we have to carry down next pair, double 9. Carried next pair. Now double of this quotient will be 18, and enter this 18 with leaving a blank at its right side. So now think about one number whose multiplication with this complete number is equals to or less than 1899. So write down, think about that number, 18. Let us write 8. 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja 64, then it will be 70. 8 1 ja 8 and 7, 15. It is 1504. Let us check with 9. 189. 9 9 ja 81, 9 8 ja 72, then it will be 80, 8, 9 1 ja 9 and 8, 17. It is 1701. Write 9 and 9. Subtract, this is 8, then 9 and then 1. 198 is remainder. Now, one example we have discussed, that if we will subtract this remainder from our given number, then this number will become a perfect square number. Subtract 198, 1089. This 9801 is the smallest 4-digit perfect square number. 9801 is the smallest perfect square number. So how we have done this question? He said, find the greatest 4-digit number which is perfect square number. So I written 4-digit greatest number, and I found its square root by division method. It is not perfect square number, then this 198 is remainder. This number is left with 198 remainder. Now if I will subtract this remainder from this given number, then I will get 9801, which is a smallest greatest, which is a greatest 4-digit perfect square number. Let us see next question. Next example. Example is, find the least number that must be added to 1300 so as to get a perfect square number. Listen, in this question, what must be added? What must be added? In earlier example, we discussed what must be subtracted. Let us see how we can do this question. Also find the square root of the perfect square number. After adding this number, find the least number that must be. First, I will find out least number that must be added to 1300, and after adding, I will find out its square root. Let us see. Start finding its square root by division method. Start pairing from the rightmost. These two zeros are in pair, and then 13. Think about one such number whose square is less than or equal to 13. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So I will write 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 2. Remainder is 4. 4. Then carry down next pair. Okay, double of this quotient will be 6. Now enter the 6 with leaving one blank at right side of it. Now think about one such number whose multiplication this complete number is less than or equals to 400. Let us see. 6 8. Let us think. 8 8 ja 64. 8 6 ja 48. It will be 544. So let us take one digit less than this 8. 7 7 ja 49. Then 4. 7 6 ja 42. And then it will be 46. 469. This also greater than 400. Then add 6. 6 6 ja 36. 6 6 ja 36. 396. 396. What is remainder? Remainder is 4 and 0 and 0. We got there 6. Now see, what is the smallest number that must be added to this number? Let us see this question. This 1300, its square root, this number is lying between the 36 square and 37 square. 36 square and 37 square. Let us find out what is square of this 36 and 37 once. 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18 and 3, 21, 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9 and 1, 10. 6 9 2 1. 1296. And what is square of 37? 37. Multiply 7 7 ja 49, 7 3 ja 21 and 4, 25. 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 ja 9 and 2, 11. 9, 6, 3 and 1. 1369. Let us see what is conclusion. This 1300 is less than 3700 square. What must be added? What must be added to make it a perfect square number? Let us say next to this one is 1369, and we are getting 369 minus 1369 is that smallest number that must be added to the given number. Now if I will add 69 to 1300, then I will get 1369, and 1369 is a perfect square number, and its square root will be 37. Its square root will be 37. Let us see again this question. We got an idea that this 1300 square is more than 36, and its square root is less than 37 square. Let us see. 36 square is 1296. It is smaller than 1300, and we have to add in this number. and this number is greater than 1300, and this number is greater than this 1300 by 69. If I will add 69 to 1300, then I will get a perfect square number. What I will get? A perfect square number. And what will be its square root? Its square root will be 37. So we got that smallest number that must be added to the given number, so that it will become a perfect square number. So smallest number is 69. Let us do next example. What is next example? Find the square root of 12.25. Its square root we have to find out. 12.25. Let us see how we can pair in decimal numbers. 123.246. There are two parts. This decimal number containing two parts. This is whole part or fractional part, and this is decimal part. This is decimal part. See, this whole part we will start pairing from the rightmost. This 23 and then 1. But this decimal part we are going to start from the right side, left side. 24 and then 6. This 6 is unpaired. We can pair up by adding 1 0. Let us see how we can pair up this one. This before decimal one part, which is fractional part, from right side we will start pairing. Okay, we got one pair, and in decimal part from left to right we will pair. It is again 25 is one pair. So think about one such number whose square is less than or equal to this 12. Let us see. It is 4 4 is 16 will be greater than 12, then 3 3 is 9. What is remainder? Remainder is 3. Then before carrying down next pair, there is decimal, then insert decimal. 25. Now we have to write a double of this quotient. Double of this quotient will be 6, and insert this 6 with leaving one blank at its right side. So we inserted this 6 with leaving a blank at its right side. Now think about one number whose multiplication with this number will be less than or equals to 325. Let us check its multiplication. I will check with 5 because its unit digit is 5, and 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 30 and 2 32. So we got 325. Write this. Remainder is 0. So what will be square root of 12.25? Its square root is 3.5. Its square root is 3.5. So let us see next question. Area of square plot is 2304 meter square. Find the side of square plot. So one square plot is given to us. What is its area? Area is 2304. We need to find out its side. Let side of square is, let side of square is x. Then what is its area? Area of square is side into side, that is x square. But according to question, this x square, this area of square plot is 2304. Applying square root on both sides. Applying square root on both sides. So it will be x square, then its root, and 2304. From square to square root will be cancelled. So x is equals to square root of this 2304. You can find out its square root by division method, or you can use factorization method. Let us use division method. 2304. Start pairing from the right side. One pair and second pair. 4 4 is 16, 5 5 are 25. 25 will be greater than this 24. So 4 4 is 16. 13 minus 6 7. Carry down next. What is double of this quotient? Is 8. Now insert this 8 with leaving one blank at its right side. Now think about such number whose multiplication with this complete number will be greater than or equal to 704. So 8, I will write 4, 4, 4 ja 16, 1, 4, 8 ja 32, and this one, this will be more. 7, it is 8 with 8. 8, 8 ja 64, 8, 8 ja 64 and 6, 70. So I got next number is 8. 8, 704. So what will be square root of this number? Square root is 48. So side of square is side of square is 48 meter. What is side of square is 48 meter. Thank you. Close.